what is up, everybody? It's Day Jason here, and welcome back to another episode or day of Farming Simulator. I'm sincerely sorry I haven't been uploading. I've been not that busy, but I really couldn't upgrade whatever. First of all, my screen cracked, and I forgot like a lot of my usernames and stuff like that and passwords, so I was kind of in a funk, you can say. So we're going to go on a modern American farming map. I've done like, basically I've done actually a lot of we've been doing a lot of things around the farm lately. I'm not done harvesting the corn yet, because I was more focused on what we were doing in the project, which you will see right now. And as you can see my voice, I'm kind of losing my voice, kind of bit, so yeah, it sounds strange, just my voice. Oh, got it. Alright, so I'm gonna make my iPad right here. I'm gonna check something on YouTube. Rather slow. I'm watching GTA 5 stuff. I usually watch GTA stuff. Here, I'll mute my mic up. Quick, yeah, man. Alright, so gonna do something. So here, we're gonna tab to this vehicle right here. Before I show anything behind me, we got a Morton Big Barn 100 by 20 by 200. We placed it in, we worked on it for a couple days, and then we got the fencing in, a little bit of fencing. And as you can see right here, I made this whole field right here with plow. You can see the grass. And then like all the cultivated spots, I placed it and I grassed all the cultivated spots over here. I can't get to, but with that little seed and plow. There. And I got the weeds right here. I'm starting to organize it, but I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm going to probably do it most likely on camera. The fencing is not that great. I've been working on it for a while. So what we're gonna do? Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Our previous owner, he didn't tell me about this. I think he mistakenly left it here, or maybe he did it on purpose. But it's a Volvo sorry tanker. I'm probably not gonna use it, but it's a good thing that it's here. It's a nice little drive truck. You know what I mean? It has nice little, I see you can open doors, and it got like stuff, yeah, it got gauges and stuff, so what am I gonna do right here? Okay. Fire worker. Let me turn it on. What I think I'm gonna do, I'm cultivate these fields, plant grass, plant the sides that you can't get to because the fence is on and stuff, grass. That's what I'm gonna do. Probably off camera because it takes a while. So I'm gonna browse through the new mods that I got over the past week. So I didn't know. I have a computer for about a computer. So we're gonna go to, oh yeah, I got this modern barn. It's a wood barn, which you'll probably use for As you can see, I got the fueling station. Some track race, we got a nice Ford F-350 DD1. I believe it's a nice truck. It's, I don't know if it's some of the arrows, I'm trying to push cars. We got the full forces back. This is old. The lot before the International Harvester. The 6-hard pack for John Deere. We have a lot of John Deere mods. This John Deere right here, this is a good John Deere. This is like a good model. I might get another one. I might save up for one, but they're nice models. I got Kenmore T800 Triaxle and Highway Edition. The Triaxle I like. I put all these more realistic mods. I don't know how to put a realistic game engine in here because I put it in. There's like scripts and stuff. I put in the mod because I thought you would do a mod. Doesn't work. I don't know. We got this feeding station stuff over here. Stuff with diet feeder. We got family stuff. Alright guys, I'm back. This is the freaking space train. We got the Class Liner 4000. I think this is overpriced. This is $72,000 for this little two-way rig. We got a Fleming ST2000. Then we got that, of course. We got the John Deere Chill all of here. We got the Class Carrot 180 TD. It's a nice model. I like it. Here. We got the Case 721 E-Loader. We got the shovel. We got the Ford Force with the Lizard. Oh, we got this, the Turbo Funnel. This is a nice little model. And yeah, it's all really good. Probably really long enough, but I think I'm going to trade this tractor this tractor is totally modern. It's nice, but nothing against the modern dude. You could just put a little bit more work on the interior and the outside, but the outside. Here, I think I'm gonna save up for 400 so we can start getting into cows. Now, if that's gonna take a long time, I probably won't do that. But just a little time. So there's not much to do around here except organize, but really these are all my roundabouts. This is my truck and this is my walk. You know, I can't put it in the garage unless, I want to do. So, what is this truck? Oh yeah, I forgot about this. I should start cultivating this field. What I think I'm gonna do we have that? Yeah, we have a lot of corn, we have a lot of wheat, and we have this TV. Whoa, I think Courseplay working. I downloaded Courseplay, but it's not working. I don't know what. There's something. Oh, there we go. There's Courseplay at the big part. Courseplay, I'm starting to get used to it. I really have nothing in. in here, really, to be honest with you. Nothing. So yeah. I learned how to make like a little circle course. That's all I can say. What I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna sell all of them, I'm probably gonna sell 1 or 2 loads because I want to get that John Deere chisel plow. I really want to get one. So I'm just gonna sell like 1 load a week or something like that. I need to get overloaded, that's what I'm gonna do. You know what, I'm gonna get overloaded right now. I'm gonna sell this and just screw the chisel plow, we can always get that. I'm gonna get overloaded. Oh, come on right now. I can't get this. This is more, yeah, it's more realistic. And King's Green Cards, I can't get them. And I don't have enough money for them, but I don't have a notepad on this computer, so they're stupid. So I'm gonna get this. And now I'm back here. I'm gonna ask them. I'm gonna ask them if I can deliver it. We're gonna sell some stuff. We're gonna sell some meat. Yeah, this is my favorite job ever. Not favorite, but I like it. There's like P games and stuff in there. So we still have a lot of stuff left. I'm just gonna take a flip right here. I'm gonna get to go down 100. But we still have a lot of green stuff here. The only thing is I'm gonna get soybeans. I'm gonna start getting soybeans and stuff like that. Because I noticed something on this map, like if you get an insane amount of green on this map. To be honest with you, I don't really know if that's true. In my typical whatever it is in my dictionary is, but get a lot of green on this one. I actually do like it because when I get food, it kind of gets annoying sometimes. You put on the stove and stuff like George. Oh shit, I'm gonna try to get the Xbox controller with whatever it's called. Computer. Because you don't have to steer it. Like, it's like nice to steer it. Probably the most likely. Easier. Yeah, yeah, so we're gonna, oh my god, that's changing it. We're gonna get I'm probably gonna get a couple, I don't know how much I have, to be honest with you. But yeah. I'm gonna, for being sorry that I didn't upload any videos, I'm probably gonna upload like 3 or 4 videos today, saying sorry for why I didn't, you know what I mean, like apologizing. I'm gonna kick it off with a couple videos, and yeah, so I'm just gonna put this stuff in, hopefully we'll make it on time, mostly. Alright, I'll be right back. And when I'm back, then I'll do it again. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of this episode. This is day 11. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you liked the video, and stay tuned guys. Peace out.